Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make Kinako Mochi. You will need 3 pieces of kirimochi, water, 2 tablespoons of kinako powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Step 1. Cut kirimochi into half. Step 2. Place mochi in a bowl. Pour enough water over the top and microwave for 2 minutes or until soft. Step 3. Blend kinako powder and sugar to make a kinako mixture. Step 4. Coat the softened mochi with the kinako mixture. Serve immediately and enjoy the chewy treat. Thanks for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe.